Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 43, Triangles, Section A, Easy. Let's start. In the given figure, AD perpendicular to BC, BE perpendicular to AC, CF perpendicular to AB. Then AF square plus BD square plus CE square is equal to, in the given figure, so where the perpendiculars meet, see this, these are the perpendiculars and the perpendiculars always meet at what point? That is known as circumcenter, right? This is not the median. Medians where they meet at centroid. So perpendiculars meet at circumcenter. Okay. Let's come back to our problem. In triangle ODC, OC square, see this, OC square equals to OD square plus DC square, Pythagoras. Therefore, OB square minus OC square equals to OB square minus OC square equals to BD square plus OD square minus OD square minus DC square, right? Check this. Look at this figure always. Pause this video and check this. Therefore, OB square minus OC square equals to this. Now, what is this? BD square minus DC square. OD gets cancelled. Equation number 1. Similarly for others, OC square minus OA square equals to CE square minus EA square. Check this. OA square minus OB square equals to AF square minus BF square. Okay, you got equation number 1, 2, 3. Why did we get these equations 1, 2, 3? Because what we want is this, right? So these AF, CE all are on one side then. Do 1 plus 2 plus 3. Therefore, all the left hand side gets cancelled. OB square cancels, OC square and OA square. Therefore 0 equals to BD square minus DC square plus CE square. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.